Order in the court. What's up? It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Allie Booker. Welcome to Order in the Court, where we bring people to the court of our public opinion and we let them know how it is. Okay? First case. It's going to be a family case. How can I get my ex out of my house and get primary conservatorship? My ex-girlfriend and I have broken up and I would like for her to move out. She refuses to move out unless I take our two boys, age 2 and 6. We've lived together for 6 years. I've been the sole financial parent in the household, and she's never put a dime into my home. She's not even on the title or on the loan. We visited the JP, Justice of the Peace, and he says that I cannot ask her to leave as she is a resident in the home. He also keeps saying it's common law, even though I tell him we never referred to or considered ourselves married. Now the kids. She has zero money, no car, and no job, but wants to take the kids. And at that, 200 miles away to San Antonio to her parents' house? Oh no. I do have primary conservatorship through a mediation document with her from the past for my oldest. But she still wants both. I'd like to keep the kids together as this was their home, this was their environment, and this is their life in this area. Can somebody help? I would consider hiring, but this is a start. Can you help me out? Well, y'all, this is the good one. This is the messy one. And this is normally how things are done. Okay? Because that's what we do, right? We decide that somebody is not good for whatever reason. We split up with them. We get custody of the children, and then we go back. And then it happens again. Because they don't change. Okay? I hope you learned your lesson, sir. At the end of the day, no. She cannot just take the children away from you. If you have a custody order and you have managing conservatorship of that child and you are not married to her, you still have managing conservatorship of that older child. She can go, but that older child and that other child needs to stay with you. You need to go ahead and file for a temporary restraining order, modify and add that other child off into the case, which you can do because you all have the same, it's the same mom and the same dad, okay? And we don't like to have separate court orders with different kids with the same parents. So what you're going to need to do is go ahead and file your case, merge it with this new case, and get both of your children. Now let's go to how we're going to get her out of the house. Guys, there's a reason that Justice of the Peace courts and judges do not decide property splits and distribution when it comes down to children and marriages. Okay? And it's because that stuff is derived, embedded, and encompassed with the Texas Family Code. And family law is civil law. However, because it is the Texas Family Code, okay, it's different. We follow by the rules of procedure that are the same, but the laws as they relate to children and property are different. So if you have not held yourself out as husband and wife to someone, then you are not common law married, period. They can try to act like there's a marriage, and it's going to be dismissed if your lawyer knows what they're doing. Because that is one of the elements that it takes. You have to hold yourself out as married. So number one, I don't agree with that judge. What I think that judge is trying to do is give this woman a foothold. She seems to be some sort of narcissist, liar, con artist or something, sir. Because she believes that it's okay that she never had custody of the oldest child, but that she can now take him. And based on what you're telling me, it seems as if that probably was her thought process the entire time. I would assume that when she lost custody, she decided she was going to go back with you because she couldn't get money on her own. She didn't have the child to use to get money, and you were a little bit of a fool, I'm sorry to say. And she conned you and she worked you, okay? So she seems like a person that works people. And I know you're sitting up here thinking like, Attorney Allie Booker, what do you know? I know people if I don't know anything else. And this woman sounds very fishy. It's something that's stinky about her. And then the fact that she decides to take 2 children just because y'all don't work out and run all the way to Bexar County, over 200 miles away, 3.5 hours away. Actually, it's way over 200 miles away. She's wrong for that. No. The court is not going to allow her to take the children to Bexar County. And if she takes that oldest child anywhere, you need to file a writ of habeas corpus against her and a temporary restraining order. Okay? Her parents need to talk some sense into her. And I'm going to need her to get a job because she needs to start back paying you child support. Do you understand? Now, in order to get her out of this house, you're going to need to file an eviction against her. Get it going quick. We're going to talk about how evictions are filed in a completely different video. But for now, I need you to understand that she needs to be evicted. No, you can't just put her out because she's been there longer than 30 days. Get it together. Get this modification suit filed. Get your SAPSR filed and merge with that mod. Get these children taken care of and so don't fall victim to this trap again. Next case. I'm adjourning. I'm adjourning on the side. I bet you never seen nobody hit it from the side. I ain't playing with them. Next case.
Sitting here behind these walls. Think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm. They got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225 or visit the website at bookerlawfirm.com.